Chad at Fitness Holiday Asia. We're going to begin our hike up into waterfall. We're going to take some pictures on the way. We'll put them in a slideshow for you. Well, we're more than halfway up the hill. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. As you can see, what other place would be better to go on a fitness retreat than a tropical island with beautiful views? Alright, we've made it to our final destination and our viewpoint here. As you can see, Koh Samui is a very beautiful place to go and a beautiful place to start a new life in fitness. And we're going to have our box lunch, our healthy box lunch now, and then we're going to get back on the road and go back down to the spa that we left from. We finished our healthy box lunch and we hiked down here to our beautiful waterfall. It's one of the nice things about Koh Samui. It offers fresh air. We have a little bit of shade down here. After walking up here in the sun, you can have a chance to cool off a little bit. After we stay here for a couple of minutes, maybe half an hour, we're going to go back to the spa where we came from, and we'll enjoy the scenery on the way back. We're coming back from our hike and we found these coconut trees and they seem to be harvesting some coconuts. We're not sure, but we think they use monkeys to harvest the coconuts. We can't see them, but it sounds like there's an animal with a bell on the top. I wish I could see them.
They're coming down now.
They're coming down.
What there?
Oh, yeah.
Use the string. See that?
Yep. And that's how you harvest coconuts on Koh Samui. Again, where else could you find something like this in a fitness retreat? Okay, we've made it back from our hike. We're back at the spa resort. Now it's time to go in, relax, maybe take a dip in the pool, get a Thai massage, and then have our dinner. We'll see you there.